you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you see today, you guys, I am outside again, back outside working out. I miss working out, you guys. But anyway, today, you guys, this video is going to be about the cordless jump rope. I have never heard of this before. Comment down below, let me know if you have heard of the cordless jump rope. I don't know, I think I was on Instagram and I was scrolling through and I happened to see a cordless jump rope, and I was like, I have never seen that before. So of course I had to go over to Amazon and check it out and get me a cordless jump rope. As you guys know, I do like to incorporate jumping rope into my exercise regimen, my routine, or whatever I do. I don't do it a lot, but whenever I do, I like to give myself a challenge, maybe a 30-day challenge, which I'll put up in the cards. I did do a 30-day challenge with jumping rope. I've done a 2-week challenge, but I'm not actually going to do a challenge today. I'm just going to be trying it out and showing you guys how they actually work, and how it affects me whenever I use it to do jumping, as if I am jumping rope. But I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. This is a weighted ball on top. It is hard. It is weighted, and of course you have the rope that is here. You have the soft handles. The grip is very soft, and I think it came in like a red. They had a black, and I think it was a blue, but I like the color teal, like my water bottle. As you see my water bottle down there, I do like the color teal or mint green, so I decided to choose this kind. Like I said, the handles are very soft, it's very soft to grip. It's not hard at all, so it's really comfortable whenever you're turning. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try and let you all see how it works, and we're going to be seeing how it works for me for the first time together. All right. It looks like a real jump rope. So it do feel like a real jump rope because of the weight that is on it. I'm getting breath, y'all. Okay, first opinion, honest opinion on this. I think this is really, really great because it's like a jump rope. It's just wireless. You don't have to worry about tripping over the cord. You don't have to worry about, like, my leg is out here. I don't have to worry about the rope slapping me, giving me whips on my legs if I miss and trip over the cord or step on the rope. So this is really good. As you see, I am winded. I need to get back to exercising like I used to. But this is really, really good, you guys, for working out. And you just turn it like you're turning a rope. I think you can do all kind of things with it. Like this, you know, you probably can do something with your arms, maybe. Yeah, that helps with your arms. Oh, this is wonderful. Up high, down low. And if you guys follow me, you know that I like to do I think it's called double unders, where it's like you jumping rope and then you go. I call them pop-ups. It's just like jumping rope. So I do like these, you guys. I do. I really like this. I recommend anyone that's not good at jumping rope, because everybody cannot jump rope, to be honest. Everybody can't keep the rhythm or have the rhythm to jump rope. So this is really good to start out with, or just to have period to jump rope. This is really good. And like I said, you will get a great workout, because I am winded. I ain't winded just that little bit of working out that I just did. But first hand opinion, recommend them, yes. I will put the link down in the description for these. And like I said, they got other colors as well. I'll put it down in the description. You guys go and check it out. Get you one. You can do it in a house. You can do it outside, in a porch, wherever you would like to do it. It doesn't take much. You can pack these in your bag. Get you some water or a smoothie or whatever. Get your workout on and be done. Do about 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes jumping rope, and you're done. I like this, you guys. So you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to quickly come on and show you guys what I just discovered, something new. I'm sure it's probably been out, but I just discovered this and I really liked it. I was very interested. Like I said, I wanted to order it and try it out for myself. A lot on this channel will be me finding new things that I feel that will work in my healthy lifestyle and reviewing them and showing you guys as well. That way it will be quicker for you to order it, and you won't have to worry about going and typing in and searching, looking for it. I'll already have the link for you to click on. But anyway, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and be sure to turn on your notification bell so you know whenever I upload the next video. But until next time, you guys,